Are you tired of feeling like money is never enough? Does your money never stretch to buy what you really need? Do you feel that, no matter how hard you work, you're always drowning in debt? Do you feel trapped as an employee, no matter how hard you work, watching your money disappear too soon? If any of these questions resonate with you, you are in the right place. This video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to get rich without money. Sounds impossible, right? But what you will discover in this video could be what helps you achieve your goals, get out of debt, and start generating income more intelligently and efficiently. It's not magic, nor a lucky trick. It's a strategy that can transform your life. All you need is to shift your focus, your habits, and know how to make money work for you. The importance of money and how it improves our situation. First, let's talk about something fundamental. Money is important, we can't deny it. While it isn't everything, it has a direct impact on how we live our lives. Not having it limits us, but managing it well opens doors, gives us freedom, and allows us to achieve our goals. When money isn't a constant worry, we can focus on what really matters: our health, our relationships, our personal projects. Imagine not having to worry about making it to the end of the month, not needing to borrow just to buy basics, or being able to invest in your education and dreams without feeling everything depends on a paycheck. Money managed well can help us improve our financial situation in extraordinary ways. But the key isn't earning more, it's learning to grow what we already have and not getting trapped in the vicious cycle of just spending. Understanding the importance of money is only the beginning. Here's the key: it's not how much you earn, but how you think and how you use what you have. Next, we'll see why your mindset about money can make the difference between staying stuck or starting to generate wealth, even if you have nothing today. The first step to getting rich without money is changing your mindset. The key to changing your financial life doesn't start with having money, but with having the right mindset. If we don't change how we think about money, we'll never reach our goals. We all know someone who always has excuses, never enough money to invest, or misses opportunities. As Robert Kiyosaki said, rich people don't work for money. They make money work for them. This is fundamental to understanding how we can start earning money without having it. First, we need to think differently. Limiting beliefs are what hold us back. If we believe money is only for some, or that only people born into wealthy families can prosper, we'll never make significant changes in our lives. The first step is believing it is possible, and that your current situation does not define your future. An abundance mindset helps you see opportunities where others only see limitations. Instead of thinking, "I have no money," think, "How can I start with what I have?" Imagine James, a young man who, despite having no savings or starting capital, decides to learn about finance and launch a small online business. James starts by watching free videos, reading blogs, and connecting with mentors. Over time, that proactive mindset allows him to identify opportunities and, step by step, create his first extra income. Tips to strengthen your mindset. Read books and listen to podcasts about personal and financial development. Make daily affirmations. For example, "Every day I take a step towards my financial freedom." Surround yourself with people with similar mindsets who inspire and challenge you to grow. Now that you know change starts in your mindset, it's time for something even more exciting: learning how to make money work for you instead of always working for money. And this is where passive income comes in. Smart ways to earn money without being constantly present. One of the most common mistakes is believing we can only earn money through active work, working overtime or switching jobs to earn more. But if you continue exchanging your time for money, you'll always hit a ceiling. Most of us rely on active income, money earned each month in exchange for our time. But here's the problem: active income is limited by the time you can work. That's why we need to understand passive income. It's money that keeps coming even when you aren't actively working. Rich people don't just earn money by working. They earn money because their money works for them. This is achieved through passive income. Practical example. Suppose you invest $100 per month in dividend-paying stocks. At first, it may seem small, but over time, those dividends accumulate. Money starts coming in automatically, even when you aren't actively working. And the best part is you can start small, without needing large sums of money. Let's look at it with practical examples of passive income, starting without large investments. A key idea is that you can start generating income without large initial capital. Today, we'll see some practical strategies. Strategy 1. Digital entrepreneurship, for example. You can start a blog, a YouTube channel, or even sell digital products. Michael is a success story. Without money to invest in a physical store, he decided to create finance content and gradually monetized his passion through sponsorships and affiliate programs. Strategy 2. Gig economy and AMP. Freelancing platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or even social media can help you offer your skills. Imagine you're good at writing, designing, or teaching. The digital world allows you to start without big upfront costs. If you have a passion or skill, take the first step by creating a social media page and offering your services. Watch how, over time and with consistency, you can turn that activity into a source of income that brings you closer to financial freedom. Robert Kiyosaki, in Rich Dad, Poor Dad, explains that rich people focus on building assets that generate passive income, while the poor and middle class rely solely on salaries. Practical example. Lucy works 8 hours a day in an office earning $1,500 per month, active income. But in parallel, she invests in a blog and dividend stocks, generating $500 extra effortlessly, passive income. In 5 years, her passive income will surpass her salary. Tips to start. 1. Research and choose the strategy that fits your skills and current resources. 2. Start small, test, learn, and adjust your approach based on results. The idea is to use the money you already have, even if little, and put it to work for you. Even if you have no money right now, you can start with small actions. Invest your time in learning, build knowledge, and make smart decisions. Now that you understand the difference between active and passive income, the big question is, how to start from zero? It may seem challenging, especially if you feel you don't have enough resources to take the first step. But here's the key. You don't need a huge investment or $1 million idea to start generating wealth. What you really need is education, a mindset change, and strategic action. Remember, every financially free person started from zero at some point. The difference between them and those still trapped in a limited financial cycle is that they made smart decisions with the money they had, however little it was. The next step to building wealth is learning how to invest your money. One of the most common mistakes people make is waiting to have large amounts of money to start investing. They think they need to save thousands or get lucky first. But financial success doesn't depend on how much money you have, but on how you use it. The renowned investor Warren Buffett, one of the richest men in the world, said, "You don't have to be a genius to invest successfully. What you need is patience, discipline, and the ability to control emotions." Buffett started investing at age 11 with just $100. He didn't wait to have huge capital or a big opportunity. He simply took what he had and put it to work. Over time, and with accumulated returns, he built a fortune of billions. This teaches us a key lesson. The size of your initial investment is less important than the time and discipline you apply. The mistake of just saving. Many people think just putting money in a bank account is enough to improve finances. But here's the problem. Money loses value over time due to inflation. Example, $10,000 in a bank at 5% annual inflation, worth $9,500 in a year. The real path to wealth is not just saving, but putting that money to work strategically. And this is where smart investing comes in. Accessible investment options for beginners. Many believe investing is complicated or only for finance experts, but there are multiple accessible options for anyone, even beginners. 1. Index funds. The best choice for inexperienced investors if you don't have time to study the stock market or analyze individual companies. Index funds are an excellent alternative. These funds pool many stocks and replicate the performance of an index like the S&P Wink with tongue sticking out 500. Advantages of index funds. A diversified investments reduce risk. A no advanced knowledge needed to start. A historically offer annual returns of 7 to 10%. A can start with small amounts, $50 or $100. Example, investing $200 per month in an index fund at 8% annual return could yield around $118,000 in 20 years, with over $70,000 from interest alone. 2. Real estate with little capital. Many think real estate requires thousands of dollars, but there are ways to start with little money. Options. REITs, like investment funds, but in real estate. Small amounts let you participate without buying full property. A real estate crowdfunding. Platforms like Fundrise or Realty Mogul allow investors to contribute small amounts to large projects. Example, investing $1,000 in a REIT paying 6% annual yield earns $60 per year without doing anything. Reinvesting grows capital exponentially. 3. High-yield savings accounts. If you're not ready for advanced investments, high-yield savings accounts are a middle option. Example, traditional bank, 0.05% interest, $5 per year on $10,000 high-yield account. 3 to 5% annual, $300 to $500 per year goal. Grow your money instead of leaving it idle. 4. Dividend stocks. Make money while you sleep. Dividend-paying stocks distribute profits to shareholders. Example, $1,000 at 5%, $50 per year passive income. Reinvesting dividends grows capital exponentially. Small steps today, big results tomorrow. Most importantly, you don't need large sums to start. Consistency and time make the difference. Key strategies summary. Or invest in index funds to grow money without complication. Participate in real estate via REITs or crowdfunding. Use high-yield savings accounts to preserve value. Buy dividend stocks for passive income. Remember, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. If you decide today to educate yourself and invest, even a small amount, you'll be surprised at the results in a few years. So how can you start getting rich without money? Here are strategies to take the first step without waiting to be a millionaire. 1. Continuous education. Start with books, free courses, or podcasts on personal finance, investing, and passive income. Books like Rich Dad Poor Dad or The Richest Man in Babylon give a solid foundation. 2. Leverage skills and knowledge. Teach a skill online, create content, courses, or tutorials. Start earning without large investments. 3. Networking power. Connect with financially advanced people. Opens doors, learning, and opportunities. 4. Automate savings and investments. Apps allow investing small amounts. Saving and investing a portion monthly grows your money and moves you closer to financial freedom. If you think it's impossible or requires luck, good news. Many started with nothing and achieved financial freedom using these strategies. Here are real success stories. Sarah Blakely, Spanx started with $5,000, now valued over $1 billion. Elon Musk, Tesla, SpaceX started with nothing, built innovative companies dominating the market. Howard Schultz, Starbucks grew up poor, transformed Starbucks into a top global brand. Jan Koum, WhatsApp emigrated with nothing, sold WhatsApp to Facebook for $19 billion. A Robert Kiyosaki, Rich Dad Poor Dad, started without money, learned investing by trial and error. Now you have the knowledge. It all depends on you. Getting rich without money isn't impossible. It's strategy, mindset, and action. Don't wait for perfect conditions. They'll never come. The best time to start is now. Will you stay where you are or take the first step today? If this video inspired you, like, subscribe, and share it. The first step to changing your financial life starts today. Make your money work for you. See you in the next video, where we continue learning together how to achieve financial freedom.